In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact from an email in Gmail. This is a handy trick that can save you a lot of time and keep your address book up to date without having to copy and paste details. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can replicate it yourself effortlessly. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the email from which you want to create a contact. Once you're in Gmail, locate the email containing the person's information you wish to save. You'll typically find these emails in your inbox, but if you filed them away, use the search bar at the top to find the email quickly and efficiently. Just remember to use keywords or the sender's name to filter out the clutter. Once you've accessed the email, hover over the sender's name in the message. This action will bring up a small window with more information about the sender. In the bottom right of this window, you'll see an option that says Add to Contacts. Click on this link. Doing so will immediately add the sender to your contacts list, making future correspondence more straightforward and automated. You might notice that clicking this link opens a new tab or window where you can edit the contact's details, like adding a phone number or a more descriptive name. This step, however, is optional and can be completed later if you want to focus simply on saving the information for now. After adding this contact, it's beneficial to organize your contacts. If you have multiple contacts from a particular category, consider creating labels within the Google Contacts interface. These labels act like folders, which allow you to group similar contacts together, making mailing lists or mass correspondence a breeze. Simply head to Google Contacts, select the contacts you'd like to group, click on the labels icon at the top of the page, and either create a new label or select an existing one. Now, let's move on to another tip. Keeping your contacts consistent across devices is highly recommended. Fortunately, Google Contacts syncs automatically when you're logged into your Google account on various devices. This means that once you add a contact on your computer, it will also appear on your phone if you use the same account, allowing seamless communication across all your devices. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to streamline your communication by adding contacts from Gmail with just a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps to keep your email organized and efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.